First floor electronics are in. I sealed up in heat shrink tubing the DigiSpark. I cut the USB port off. This one's got a USB port on. This is for second floor. And wired in the two stepper motors. And it's now running. So you could see the fans turning. And the fans are right. There we go. There's one, and there's one there. But because I got ceiling lights coming through, you could see the motion that they make. So it perceives motion of the fans turning with shadows on the walls. So now I gotta design the second floor.